My Tux detected somebody.
Meters from my position.
We have taken Charlie sector. Almost all sectors are under armor.
Oh. Advanced system. What was that?
Light machine gun. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you.
I think Ruby Unicorn might be getting it.
No, he's not.
No, he's just sitting there.
Yep.
I'm here.
Thanks.
Okay.
Scanning for others. 찾았다. Got one. Tango down.
You're inside? That's what I call a really bad
We have
throw.
lost Charlie sector to the enemy.
I got one. By pure luck. Ducks to 1 point. 1 point.
One of our objectives is being invaded.
Delta.
Oh, one on me.
Got two.
I'm down.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
I'll be able to get to you. Oh, you're getting rest?
No, wait, no, wait.
You getting rest?
I need rest.
Yeah, it's gonna take me a minute because I don't want a ladder.
En la caja. Nombre en el libro y todo lo demás. Pero a mí se me olvidó contar.
Coming. Coming.
3, 2, 1.
Please, hold on.
You made it.
I made it.
Area is not clear.
Oh,
Hostile tank.
tank up here.
Reloading.
He's low.
Yeah.
Bunch of infantry over there.
Watch out.
Oh, how do you live through that?
Careful. Oh, you got him.
Oh shit! Oh, thank you! That guy had bad aim.
Nah, he probably got confused two targets. Because I almost died.
Fire record. Let's go. Tango, 240.
What?
90 meters
Oh.
from my position. Breaking targets. Got one. Let me help you.
Oh shit! Oh, you son of a...
Oh, he was right next to us. XMG light machine gun.
Still got that big tanks in there. Oh, the tank's down.
It's dead.
Checking the engine.
We've secured Alpha sector. We have secured nearly every sector.
Marking enemy helo. 100. On this side.
What? Who's shooting at me?
Could be the helo.
Oh, I see.
Enemy helo marked.
Ooh, I hit the chop. I hit the pilot. Come on, one more.
He's trying to hurt me!
I got him.
Got him!
I got the
No, no,
pilot.
don't kill it! Don't kill it! Don't kill it!
Oh no, 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 no! It's getting. I'm in.
Oh shit! We're going down! I killed you. Whoops. That's a BF 2042 moment.